In my opinion, one of Evinrude's best 200 horsepower outboard engine. This thing rips. Today we're gonna talk about it, see this run, and I'm gonna do a quick walk around, and I'm gonna let you know what parts that you might need for your Evinrude 200 to keep it running strong. This is a 1994 Evinrude Johnson E200 STL ERK. 32 years later, this Vindicator is still running. Now let's see the genius parts that Evinrude Johnson put on this to keep this thing running. I mean, to keep me running. No, I'm just playing. I love these things. Now on this side of the motor, you have your VRO pump and your starter. This is the starter assembly. Now let's look at your lower unit. These things have a lot of moving parts. This is how it looks removed from your engine. They come with different sizes, but we'll get to that later. Now this is a stainless steel prop, and this is what actually pushes your boat forward. This is actually a 14.5 by 24 pitch prop. Now on starboard side of the motor, you just have your linkages and your airbox. And behind your airbox, you have things like your carburetor. And as you see, these carburetors are clean. I'm going to show you it run. So don't leave yet. This thing runs good. On starboard side, it had 110, 120 compression. And then on the other side, we have 105, 110, 110. And now let's look at the top of the motor. You have your flywheel. Underneath this flywheel, there's a stator, and here's your CDI box. Now I'm grabbing a hose so we can start this thing, and let's hit run. Now you see why I think this is one of Evinrude's best 200s they ever made. I have a lot of good parts for this motor. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.